Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about why backlinks are important for organic SEO and how to create them. Backlinks are links that come from external websites to your own website or YouTube channel. They are important for SEO because search engines like Google view them as a vote of confidence in the quality and relevance of your content. The more high-quality, relevant backlinks you have, the higher your website or YouTube channel is likely to rank in search results. So how do you create backlinks? Here are a few steps. Step 1. Identify relevant websites and influencers in your niche. Look for websites or YouTube channels that are relevant to your niche and have a good reputation. You can use tools like Ahrefs, Moz, or SEMrush to find relevant websites and influencers. Step 2. Reach out to those websites and influencers. Send them an email or direct message introducing yourself and your content. Let them know that you admire their work and would like to collaborate with them. Offer to create a guest post or video for their website or channel that includes a link back to your own website or channel. Step 3. Create high-quality content. Whether you're creating a guest post, video, or infographic, make sure that it's high quality and relevant to your niche. This will increase the likelihood that other websites and influencers will want to link back to it. Step 4. Use social media. Share your content on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. This will help you get more exposure and increase the chances that other websites and influencers will discover your content and link back to it. Step 5. Monitor your backlinks. Use tools like Ahrefs or Google Search Console to monitor the backlinks that are pointing to your website or YouTube channel. This will help you identify opportunities to create more backlinks and improve your organic SEO. By following these steps, you can create high-quality backlinks that will improve your organic SEO and help your website or YouTube channel rank higher in search results. Thanks for watching. If you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.
Bye.